Discover France. 10 must-visit places. Opening shot of the Eiffel Tower. Welcome, fellow travelers. Today, we're embarking on a virtual journey to explore the enchanting beauty of France. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, we've curated a list of the 10 best places to visit in this captivating country. Hello viewers, I am Sajad. Welcome to my channel. Please support my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's start the topic. Number 1. Paris, the City of Lights. Montage of Parisian landmarks. Our adventure begins in the heart of France, Paris. Known as the City of Lights, Paris offers a symphony of art, history, and culture. Don't miss the Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum, and the charming streets of Montmartre. Number 2. Provence, lavender fields and vineyards. Drone shots of lavender fields. Head south to Provence, where the picturesque landscapes of lavender fields and vineyards create a dreamlike atmosphere. Explore the charming villages like gourds and experience the vibrant local markets. Number 3. French Riviera, glamour and sunshine. Footage of the glamorous French Riviera. Bask in the sunshine of the French Riviera, where glamour meets the Mediterranean Sea. Nice, Cannes, and Saint-Tropez beckon with their sandy beaches, luxury yachts, and a lively atmosphere. Number 4. Loire Valley, Châteaux Extravaganza. Images of Loire Valley Chateau. Journey to the Loire Valley, a treasure trove of stunning chateaux. Explore the architectural wonders of Château de Chambord, Château de Chenonceau, and more, surrounded by lush green landscapes. Number 5. Mont Saint-Michel, a fairytale island. Breathtaking views of Mont Saint-Michel. Our next stop is the mystical Mont Saint-Michel. This fairytale island boasts a medieval abbey perched on a rocky outcrop, surrounded by ever-changing tides. A true marvel. Number 6. Normandy, history and coastlines. Footage of Normandy's historic sites. Immerse yourself in history in Normandy, where the D-Day beaches and the charming town of Honfleur captivate visitors. The rugged coastlines and picturesque landscapes add to its allure. Number 7. Bordeaux, wine capital. Vineyard scenes and wine tasting. For wine enthusiasts, Bordeaux is a must-visit. Discover world-renowned vineyards, indulge in wine tastings, and explore the rich cultural heritage of this wine capital. Number 8. Alsace, quaint villages and cuisine. Scenes of colorful Alsace villages. Alsace, with its charming half-timbered villages like Colmar, invites you to stroll through cobblestone streets. Enjoy the unique blend of French and German influences in both architecture and cuisine. Number 9. Lyon, Culinary Delights. Images of Lyon's culinary scene. Calling all foodies. Lyon, the gastronomic capital of France, offers a delectable journey through its markets, bouchons, and Michelin-starred restaurants. Prepare your taste buds for an unforgettable experience. Number 10. The French Alps, Majestic Mountains. Stunning shots of the French Alps. Our final destination takes us to the majestic French Alps. Whether you're a winter sports enthusiast or a summer hiker, the Alps provide breathtaking landscapes and outdoor adventures. Closing shot of the Eiffel Tower at night. And there you have it, 10 incredible places to visit in France. Whether you're drawn to the romance of Paris, the vineyards of Bordeaux, or the mountains of the Alps, France promises a journey filled with unforgettable moments.